Qualcomm is an interesting semiconductor design company that holds large market share in the smartphone industry, but it's branching out into new industries and making great progress in automotive and personal computers. It's also branching out into the Internet of Things devices. And so far, it's having good success, especially in automotive and personal computers. So investors are asking if this stock is a buying opportunity for 2026. I'll answer that question in this video. Qualcomm has demonstrated excellent revenue growth over the recent decade, and of course, during the pandemic, the company benefited, as did many electronic device sellers or many companies that operate in that industry that have their revenues correlated to sales of electronic devices like Qualcomm. Of course, people staying at home and unable to travel, unable to go to concerts, unable to go out to eat. They spend a lot more money on electronic devices, and Qualcomm benefited as a result. And then you had the aftermath, the economic reopening, which caused its revenue to decline. But looking back over the decade, you can see nice growth from 23.6 billion up to 44.3 billion. Now, the market share gains in new categories will help grow the business and also diversify away from smartphones, where its customers are increasingly investing in their own proprietary technology and increasingly trying to go away from Qualcomm and the lucrative royalty revenue it gets for licensing its technology to companies like Apple and Samsung. But it's made good progress in personal computers, and it's made good progress in automotive, and I suspect those gains will continue, especially in automotive, where increasingly each car is embedded with more technology, and that will increasingly be the case as nearly every manufacturer is investing in driverless car technology in some form or another. All of that will be good news for Qualcomm looking ahead. The next thing I wanted to evaluate is the company's return on invested capital. As a semiconductor design company, which does not do manufacturing in-house and outsources it or generates licensing and royalty revenue, I expect good profitability and good margins, and I'm seeing that with Qualcomm.